Hello people, so today we will talk about iPhone camera, and I would like to show you the way how to get the 4K quality for your video only with the iPhone camera. So you just need to open your settings. Right after that, you just need to scrolling down until you found camera with this icon, and then you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just go click this record video on the top line and make sure that this checklist button is already applied into the 4K at 60 fps. So 4K will be the quality that you have, which is this 60 fps is the total frame in a seconds that the video is being taken. So the higher the amount will be smooth, make your video smoother than the others. So here is the best quality that you can get from iPhone camera, but you also need to remember that the better the quality, it also take a bigger size for every seconds of the video of it. So there will be like a huge probability that your space or your storage will be taken or run out easily. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.